Marshall, basically the same game, just the different way around.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you, fighter pilot dude.
Well, guys, you can go as far back as the catapult there, and you can use the bunker on that side. That's not far, right?
Yeah, that's hitting that. Mine's going up over the barrel.
Ready, guys?
There we go.
I'm in the spawn anyway.
Yeah, I can get respawned.
Marshall, Connor, can we use the swamp this time?
No.
You can go up there.
Good punch of it. Far. Yeah. On the left hand side, yeah?
No.
Yeah, pop it there. Keep smoking it so we can move.
Tree bounce.
That doesn't work.
Hey!
Mind your heads, guys. Head down.
Oh, hello. What a nice boy you are.
Smoke out, look out. Yeah, go.
Come on, guys, start moving.
Go.
We can use the catapult.
Can we?
Well, you can't use
Yeah, I'll chuck a fridge freezer at him.
the one huge BB.
Oh, heck. Oh, that's beautiful. What the fuck? Oh, lovely carcinogens. Oh. Fucking Nora. Cover! I got cancer now. There you cunt. I got hit. I'm in my spawn.
Technically it's behind the IBC.
Works for me. There we go. Fuck it, let's go somewhere else. Oh my word, I can't see shit.
Fuck boy.
Yeah. Is it this tower here where the flag is?
Wait, I don't know. I don't know about this one. Might be better than that.
Marshall! I can't see you! Is it this tower right here? Or is it the one further forward? Is it me? Is it this tower here?
No, this is Sniper Tower 2.
Sniper Tower 1.
Yeah.
Behind you, slag. Oh, now the smoke grenade starts to go off better. I'm raising that fucking flag. Fucking hell.
Getting to that little bit of a tower bit there, don't we, really?
Yeah. Just don't know where.
I don't know where they are. I don't know if they're still in there.
Oh, fucking hell.
I'm getting BBs from here. These are not a smoke grenade, really.
Gotcha.
Yeah, no, but I can't see him from here.
Ah, you fucking hell.
That wasn't a good idea.
No, it weren't. It's been a little bit exposed. 9 times out of 10, one at least one will get through. Hit! Oh. I will get there.
on, guys, you're attacking.
I know. They're defending.
Sniper over him, and he's getting.
Can't hit you, mate. I just falling back.
Get shot him down. Hold him down.
This one over there. He just shot me.
Oh,
Here. I'm going back to the same place to get shot in the head again.
Get over it.
ah, shit, hit. Oh,
The netting's not all that good, is it?
no. Oh, fucking hell.
I got under the fucking rolling shot.
Stuart, can I just... Stuart, you done half put on a good barbecue, mate. You done half put on a good barbecue. Dye bottle.
It's recycled.
It's recycled.
It's recycled. Oh, no, it's not recycled.
And now it's a rebound. Fine.
Is only just standing there for having a
I was waiting for a hug. You've just fulfilled that. Thank you very much. We are here for a reason. Well, we're waiting for him to die first.
Yeah, see what happens to him.
Yeah, basically, yeah. See, the first lemming tells the rest of the lemmings what happens. Did it hurt? Right, I'm moving up.
I think it hit him.
Ah, you fucker. Hit. Ow! That was my fucking elbow.
It's not tower, is your...
It's a respawn. I'm here, so... Right, okay. Let's try a different attack of an angle. And angle of attack. Attack of angle. Fuck it. Angle of attack.
Dad, I'm gonna smoke it.
Save me some. Yeah. Yay! Nope.
Try and go straight where you want. Steal to my right and get down that knob and see it.
Right.
I'm going to try and get to there, but...
Ah, hit! Fucking hell.
Move up, move up!
Hey, you miss me, boys?
There's one.
Well, that's a nice sound.
I've done it, yes!
Nice one.
Just saw the tip of his muzzle flash.
There's another one. Oh no, you got it.
I got it.
Gotcha. Gotcha, 2. Fucking hell. Shit, the gun's jammed.
Oil drum between the windows.
See him.
Right side of it he was. I'm pushing out front to the left. Right side of wooden building.
Ah, fucking hell, hit. Ow! Fucking fingers again! Fucking finger again.
What, again?
Yeah, the same fucking one as well. Oh, you bastard! Oh, in the dick! No point walking back. Oh, my dick, man! Oh.
Thank you.